Wildcats, welcome to the 2020 Virtual Homecoming Assembly. I'm Anne Marie.
And I'm Ismael. We know that the circumstances for this year are very different, but we hope that they will not affect our school spirit.
At any time during this assembly, if you find the hidden object, please DM the Senate Instagram at Wildcat Senate, and the first to reach out will receive a prize.
At this time, please welcome the Blue Springs High School ROTC and the presentation of the flags.
Please rise for the national anthem.
Thank you, ROTC and Golden Regiment. At this time, we would like to introduce the Glitter Girls and Company and their halftime performance.
Body make them stutter, stop my engine, push the button, cause I'm gonna be coming.
Guys, that was powerful.
You know what sounds really fun right now? An intense ping pong battle between Mr. Rudolph and Miss Knudsen.
Y'all ready for this?
Wow, that was really intense. Congratulations, Miss Knudsen.
At this time, we will be introducing the Golden Regiment and their halftime show, Undeniable.
That was a really great performance. Now we introduce the Blue Springs High School co-ed cheer team.
Wow, that was very wild, cats. Now we would like to introduce the 2020-2021 homecoming court.
My most embarrassing high school memory is last year I broke my nose while performing our cheer routine at the Blue Springs South basketball game in front of everybody.
If I could have one superpower, it would be to not breathe, so I wouldn't have to wear a mask during COVID-19.
My favorite memory during quarantine is totaling my car and then getting my rusty truck.
If I could go on a date with any celebrity during quarantine, it would be Zendaya, and I would take her to Italy to try some gelato because I heard she really likes ice cream.
My most embarrassing high school memory is having an asthma attack after competing at Worlds in Disney World.
If I could quarantine with anyone, I would choose my sister because I feel like I never get tired of her.
Thank you for watching our 2020 Homecoming Assembly.
We'll be posting the winner of the I Spy game on our Instagram and Twitter accounts at Wildcat Senate.
We know that this assembly was weird because we didn't get to be in the gym, but we hope that you enjoyed it just as much.
Thank you and have a great rest of your day.
And remember, it's a great day to be a Wildcat.